Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify apps for enhanced functionality, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Log into your account if you haven't already. From the left sidebar, locate and click on the Apps section. You will see an option to visit the Shopify App Store. Click on this link to explore available applications. Use the search bar to find specific apps that suit your needs. You can also browse by categories such as marketing, sales, and inventory management. Once you've found an app that interests you, click on it to view more details. Read the app description and check user reviews for insights. If you're satisfied with the app, click the Add App button. You may need to grant certain permissions for the app to work efficiently. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, return to your Shopify dashboard. Find the newly added app in the Apps section. Click on the app to open its main interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its features and settings. Most apps will offer a tutorial or onboarding process to guide you. Make adjustments to settings as needed to tailor the app to your store. Remember to save any changes you make. Test the app's functionality to ensure it meets your expectations. Monitor any impact it has on your store's performance. If needed, revisit the App Store for additional tools. Regularly update your installed apps to access the latest features. Using apps can significantly enhance your Shopify store's capabilities. Stay informed about new apps to keep your store competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.